So you can do, I'm actually kind of curious. I want to see the grad. I want to see this. I was thinking about this over the weekend. I really wanted to do this. Okay, so backward. Let's do y.backward and then print the grad. That's what I really want. And we can print the x.grad too. Let's print the x.grad and the y.grad. Y.backward. Okay, so was it y.backward? Yeah, it was. Okay, so let's do y.backward. There we go. And then print y again. Oh, wait, before we print y again, we need to print the x.grad. Okay. x.grad. There we go. Tensor 4. Oh, we're starting to figure things out. Okay, let's do this. We'll just do 2 dots here. This is pretty neat. Wait, no, that should totally work. Why did that not work? Why didn't that work? Grad can't be implicitly created only for scalars. Oh, really? What? Are you serious? Seriously, really? So, I mean, what if we did this? Huh? What if we did that? Is that still gonna work? That still works. Can we do this? I'm gonna find out. 0. So, try that. Error. Okay, error. We're learning new things now. We're learning new things, you guys. Bravo, gotta go. Array manipulation functions in Pytorch. Array manipulation functions in Pytorch. Ooh, we can 0 the grad. Ooh, why is that underscore? There's a little underscore there. Let's 0 the grad. Let's 0 it. We can 0 the gradient like so. Usually we would use a .0 grad on the model. You can do this directly with the tensor. Okay. I wonder if we could do it both here with no grad. Okay. Requires gradient. What does this mean? We can turn off tracking like so. Operations under no grad won't build a graph. Okay. So if we reassign y and then print y requires, okay, and then we try to do this, build a new tracked graph to show backward still works. Because we're outside of it? This is weird. I don't get this. All right. Let's try this. All right. Let's go back over here. All right. So we say with torch.autograd. Did we do that right? Yes. Okay. And then we say y equals, we'll just do the same thing again. We'll say x times 2, or x to the power. It still works because y had a value before it. Ah, gotcha. Okay. Okay, understood. That's actually perfectly fine. If in this situation you call y.backward, it would throw. Yep, it sure would. Since we later do yx, it still works. Got it. Adam, thank you, Neva. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Where are you from? Hey, I'm from Seattle, Washington, United States, you guys. I'm in Seattle, Washington, United States. It's good to have you here. Happy Monday. So Adam and SGD are very good, versatile optimizers. They are pretty good. I do SGD myself. Usually I go towards SGD. I think it's general purpose. It's not the fastest, but it still works. It still works perfectly fine. All right, we got 14 minutes, you guys. Let's see what else we can do here. Print that. Okay, so we did that. What else we got? All right, y.backward. All right, so this is, if we tried y.backward now, it would fail. So let's try that really quick. Y.backward. There we go. And then Neva said we should see an error. Are we going to see an error, you guys? And we do. We see an error. Perfect. And then if we do y equals x, then we won't see the error. Okay. There we go. Nice. Well, the Seattle area, Mountain View. Well, so Bellevue. We could also say Bellevue. I went to Bellevue High School many years ago. That's the idea. All right. So you guys here, let's keep going. All right. So so let's keep going here. Higher order grads. Yes. Okay. Let's try this. X2. Okay. Y2. Torch.autograd. Create graphs. True. Get the 0. Grad 1 and grad 2. Ooh. Interesting. X. And then let's multiply it by 3. So that way we get something similar. Okay. And then we get this torch.autograd.grad. Okay. So G1 equals torch.autograd.grad. Let me say X. Was it X? And wait, so there's multiple? Oh, X, Y, and then extra stows. Create graph true. Okay, let's try that. Create graph equals true. What is this going to do? What is that going to do? Let's print G1. I'm actually kind of curious about that. Also, let's print G1 and put the 0 here. Okay. Okay, so what happened? Why is that no happy? Where did it fail? Where did it fail? Okay. Fun today. We did some more Pytorch. We'll be live again tomorrow. We'll be doing more Pytorch tomorrow as well. So we're not done yet. We're not done yet. But we are very soon here. Very soon. All right, so where did the error at? Why does it, is that a problem? Can I not print it? Is this doesn't like to print? No, it doesn't like this. All right, what did I do that's wrong here? So requires grad, did I type that right? Let's comment that out real quick.